Hello everyone. If you have been wondering about research recently or are interested in research and willing to know what opportunities are available for you, then this is a good place to start. There are three main aims of this video. First, to explain what research is all about, and second, to explain that we are here to support you and that we can do it, and finally, to make you fill our survey. To begin with, what's research? Medical research is the process of scientific inquiry that aims to add medical knowledge in several ways to improve the understanding of human body and diseases and devise better treatment methods. Research is about discovery, for example, how the human body functions to get pathways like the SMAP kinase pathway, or to understand mechanisms that underlie diseases, to get pathways that lead to development of hypertension, for example.
Third, new and better options to treat diseases, which can be drugs or even procedures.
Even improve research techniques themselves, so from spectrometry to flow cytometry to measure cell characteristics. In principle, medical research is classified into primary and secondary research. While secondary research summarizes available studies in the form of reviews and meta-analyses, the actual studies are done in primary research. There are three types of primary research: basic, experimental, clinical, and epidemiological. Let's start with basic research. Basic research involves working with animals, can be ranging from mice or rats to dogs, and working in laboratories on petri dishes in what is called as in vitro studies. It mostly involves working in a lab that looks like this. Clinical research involves studies on humans. The aim of a clinical study can be to compare treatment options within a patient population. They also include studies on medical devices and studies in which surgical or physical procedures are compared. Epidemiological research. An example of epidemiological research would be the prevalence of hospital-acquired infections in tertiary care hospitals in a city like Riyadh. This will generally involve working with patient records and surveys. Information from such studies can be very valuable to guide other types of research into more prevalent diseases, for example. Second is the Undergraduate Research Committee. Now, we are not here to be this or this. We are here to support you. We work together to rise together. Over the past 3 years, the committee has moved from around 5 students to over 100, from Riyadh to London to New York to all around the world. Students have done clinical research, basic research, in all different schools and universities around the world. That means it has been done before. All of this has no meaning without your feedback and input. Tell us what you want to do in research by filling the survey, and believe me, we will make it happen.
Stay tuned, as our section in the AMSA website is almost completed. In there you will find all the necessary information you need. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to address them to committee members directly or through our email at msa-research.